Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can improve your sound in Windows 11 with just one click. By just one click I mean that by just turning on one program, one option in settings. So for that I'm gonna go to my sound settings and I'm just gonna click here and click on this arrow item and click on more volume settings. So under here I will choose my device that I'm going to improve. So here I'm seeing the front panel. I have already connected my speaker to front panel, so I'm gonna click on that, and here it is showing my device, and here you will find the option enhance audio. You just have to turn it on. So I have suggested this option to a lot of my friends, and none of them has ever complained that they experienced some kind of sound issues. But if you face some kind of sound issues like Windows 11 says, you should turn it off. But 99% of the case I faced, it improved the sound overall quite a bit. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. Also thank you very much for watching this video.